How to fix sign out is not available due to restriction in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix sign out is not available due to restriction error. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings. Now, if you're on family account and you're one of the children or your phone is of one of the children's, the reason can be that you cannot sign out is that you do not have access to it. So what you need to do is find your parent's phone, and after you find the parent's phone, simply scroll down till you find an option that is screen time. So tap on screen time, and after you tap on screen time, scroll down. Now you might have to type in a password before that, so type in the password, and after you type in the password, head down below under content and privacy restrictions. So tap on content and privacy restrictions after you're there. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is you can just turn off content and privacy restrictions. So simply turn this button off, and after you do that, your problem should get fixed. Now, if your problem does not get fixed, what you do is you head over to your general on the top. And after you're on your general, you scroll down all the way, and there you see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer reset iPhone and erase all contents. After you erase all contents, you will be good to go, and that is how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching guys. That is all. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.